Okay, so what is this? A doorbell for an RV? Really? Yes, really. This is my doorbell. And the thing is outside. The button that you push is outside. Here's what it sounds like. I have it. This one only makes 2 chimes. It's either ding dong or this one. And here are the specs on it. Nobody's there, guys. They weren't reacting to that before. Now they're starting to. Let's see what it says on the back. Okay, here are the specs on the doorbell. Made by GE. And I believe I spent like 11 bucks on this. Here's a mounting template in case you wanted to really mount it. But all I do is, I'll show you in a second. I gotta switch the camera back over. Okay, so where I put this is just inside my little speaker box right there. I don't have it mounted. If I traveled, I would either have to mount it or lay it somewhere. Let's go outside and see how I have it mounted outside. Okay, so as you can see, here's my door. The RV needs washed. And here's my gate, which is usually closed. And right here is the doorbell thing. So I've got it kind of out of the weather a little bit there. And we will ring it again. So there you go. Wireless doorbell. Pretty cool. Catch y'all later. Bye.